Namaste and welcome. Vastu World Learning brings you yet another important topic. Jain Vastu. What is this Jain Vastu? I'm not dividing the Vastu science into different sects and different cultures and religion. I'm trying to categorize it. Here I will be talking specifically on temple architecture, science of building construction which Jains as a specific community of Indian Vedic system has created. We have a lot of temple styles in India. Temple architecture has been defined into different categories. And Jain Vastu Vidhan, Jain Mandir Nirman, Jain Sthapatya Ved has a specific correlation with the sacred geometry of Jainism. So, in this 6 hours of on-demand video, I'll be telling you certain facts about Vastu Shilpa Shastra. I'll be telling you certain facts about temple architecture. I'm going to be describing and detailing on Jain temple spaces with sacred geometries and Jainism as a core concept. Understanding Adharmastika and Dharmastika, understanding the Pudgal, the matter part of Jainism and how a matter, a material, a dravya, kshetra, kal and bhav, the emotions are put into temple architecture. We'll be discussing specifically on this. This course of 6 hours is going to help you, not only you, it's going to help all Jain temple architects, all Sthapatis, all Vishwakarmas, all people associated with Jain temples. So I would request them to understand the science of Jainism and incorporate the Jainism concept into the Jain temple. In this 6 hours, we will all together explore, understand, observe, see and decode Jain temple architecture. It's an amazing course. Jain Vastu Science is going to incorporate certain aspects of Jainism which I'll be telling you, which we'll be exploring together in this 6 hours of videos and couple of question answer sessions. I welcome you for this course and let's start this exploration. Let's try to decode something which is not have been understood since ages. Namaste and thank you.